Welcome to Exhibits Today. This is Brother Hernan Falcon, live here at the SMX Manila for the Worldbex 2024. And one of the exhibitors that will give you a quality and a good product, let's welcome the Larks Trading. And with me is the sales store manager, Mr. Jonel T. Cortez, to give us more information about Larks Trading. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Sorry, correction. My name is Jomar po from Larks Trading, and welcome to Worldbex 2025.
Alright, let's talk about Larks Trading, sir. Kailan po ba nag-start itong Larks Trading nito, sir?
Bali, sir, si Larks Trading is nag-start siya since 2013, and then nag-start kami as a garment store or garments factory. Then later on, nag-innovate ng hanggang sa nagkaroon kami ng mga electronic bidet, smart locks, and then smart safe box na ngayon sino-showcase namin dito sa Worldbex 2025.
So, what are the lines of the product na isa-showcase natin dito po sa Worldbex 2024?
We have here is yung smart safe box, Philips na door locks, also water purifier, then Epic digital door locks po. And
So,
pinaka high-end products or brand namin is yung Philips.
sir, what is the advantage of your product to the industry, sir?
Actually, sir, advantage is more on for securities. Security-wise, sa mga bahay natin, residential or condo, pwede. And then, actually, Larks Trading, kami yung nagsusupply ng Philips EasyKey Smart Locks kay MegaWorld.
Wow. So, how we compare our price to the other player?
Compared to other products or other brands, masasabi ko, sir, na competitive yung price namin. Price compared to specs. Yes, meron mas magaganda pang mga products. But sa brand kasi namin si Philips, kilala naman na natin si Philips.
When it comes to the Philips talagang
Yes.
branded talagang brand.
Yes.
Okay, sir, meron ba kayong website o telepono na pwedeng kontakin?
Yes, just visit our website www.larkstrading.com.ph. And pwede nyo kaming makontak sa aming landline number 8370-5587 and 0945-6274955.
Okay, sir, maraming salamat sa iyo. At siyempre, papasalamat tayo sa ating major sponsor, ang Swedish.
Yes, thank you, Swedish Design.
So what can you say about your booth?
Actually, ito ngayon yung booth namin, medyo mas dense yung niya, yung naging itsura niya compared to last year. Then mas in-improve at mas pinaganda nila.
Maraming salamat, sir.
Thank
At
you, sir.
siyempre, papasalamat tayo sa ating executive producer, Mr. Rick Angeles. At ito po ang inyong Falcon ng Himpapawid. Always say, God bless you.